Hey guys, welcome back to another LOSV, and today I thought it would be good to make a stir fry slash hibachi type of dinner. So welcome back to another cook with me, guys. So let me go ahead and show you what we have. So we're gonna do, like I said, it's gonna be like a steak hibachi style dinner. We have 2 packs of steak right here. We have some rice. We got our teriyaki sauce with our soy sauce. We have an onion, some zucchini, broccoli, some carrots, and some mushrooms. So let's go ahead and get started with this cook with me, guys. So guys, I am just about done with all of my food. I'm so sorry for the lighting in this video. This lighting sucks. But yeah, I'm just about done with all my food. The only thing I have left is my steak. I have everything done, my onions, my mushrooms, my zucchini, I have this steak chopped up already. The rice is right there. Everything just needs to come together. After this gets done, I'm gonna go ahead and cut that up like that. And then after that, I'm gonna mix everything together with the teriyaki sauce and maybe put some soy sauce on it. I do clean as I cook, so because I hate a dirty kitchen. So I did keep everything nice and clean. Wash those pots and pans that I used. About to clean out my sink and everything. So I do keep everything pretty much clean. I clean as I go, and wait for that steak to get done, and then we're gonna put everything together.